Beautify your space at MM Woodcraft, where quality, custom, and affordable furniture will last you a lifetime. Visit the 4,000 square foot showroom displaying custom solid wood, locally made, one-of-a-kind pieces that are ready to go. You may also choose to have a piece customized from the many examples or bring in your own design ideas. MM Woodcraft offers a wide range of stains to suit your furniture or color match an existing piece. Come in and see the wonderful variety of dining room tables, bedrooms, cabinetries, and accessories, including outdoor furniture. Choose from pine, oak, maple, cherry, and ash, and enjoy quality that will last a lifetime. Visit our website, mmwoodcraft.com, or visit us at 386268 20th Side Road, Mono, just north of Orangeville.